Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will solve this problem. So let us read the problem statement. So in this problem, we will learn about characters. So how to use characters in the Java. So taking a character as an input and then print small case if it is small case character, print capital case if it is capital case character, print digit if it is a digit, print none is none of the above conditions follow. So I hope you understand the problem statement. So let us write the code. So import java dot util dot start. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in. So character, right? So we have to write the character. Character ch is equal to ch is a variable. So sc dot next line. So for string we have to use next line, but it is a character, right? So we have to write dot caret 0. So which means it will take the first character. It's a 0 is the index. So whatever we give, it will take the character. So it will be stored in the ch variable. So let us write the if condition one. So the first one is small case. So if character dot is lowercase, lowercase. So it is a method. So E is lowercase is a method. So first letter should be small, like is. First word is a is. So first letter should be I should be small, and after the whatever word which will come, the letter should start from capital letter. So here I wrote capital L, and the next word capital like capital C. So if you want to use, like, it's a built-in function, right? So we have to write like this only. So let us talk about the functions later. So it is a built-in function. So we will be having user-defined functions also. In future, we'll discuss those user-defined functions. So it is a built-in function. E is lowercase. So if character is a lowercase, so then it will print lowercase, like small case. System dot out dot println small case. So likewise, we will use else if condition. Third one, fourth one, and last one is else. So else if, else if, and else. So the second one is uppercase. So E is uppercase. And third one is digit. E is digit. So these are all built-in functions. Function means like there will be a certain action. So that should perform that should be performed by the inbuilt function. Like it is an inbuilt function, is digit. So it is a function. So the action is like it will check whether it is a number or not. So this is also is uppercase. It is also an inbuilt function. It will check what is the action. It will check whether the character is uppercase or not. So likewise lowercase. And if it is not like if it is like if condition, else if condition fails, then it will come to the else condition. So we have to write the print none of the above conditions follow. None of the above conditions follow. So I hope you got it. So we have, if we want to take character, so first we have to write it is a data type. Character is a data type, and ch is a variable, and equal to sc dot next line. So it is a string. In string means like characters different. See, it is a string. So in this, the first index is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0th index is f. So which is only one character. So we're getting the only one character. Like dot caret will take the first character at the string. I hope you understand. So let us run the program. I hope everything is fine. So everything is fine. So let us write the capital U. So if capital U means, sorry, we have to write the uppercase. And it is a digit. So let us run the program again. So I'm writing the small a. So then this statement will be like the output should be small case. So press enter because it is small a, right? So small case. See here small case. So let us run this program again. Capital H. So it is a capital. It is an uppercase. So the answer should be uppercase. So I'll run this program again. And if you write digit, so it is a number. So it will check, each digit will check whether it is a number or character. So if it is a character, then it is a digit. It should be digit. It is a digit. So for none of the conditions, it is not a character, it is not a upper character, it is not a smaller character, it is not a digit, like special characters. So then it is a at the rate symbol. So it is not uppercase, it is not small case, it is not a digit. So none of the above conditions follow will be the answer. See, none of the above conditions will be the output. So I hope I got how to write, like how to implement the characters by using simple if and else conditions. So if you like this video, please like it and please subscribe it and please share to your friend so that they can be benefited from this. And if you want more videos of mine, please ring the bell icon. So whenever I post the videos on YouTube, you'll get the notification. Thank you, friends.